Hey everybody, so if you're looking for coasters that are unique or you have a marble table that you need to match or some sort of a surface and you don't want to get that scratch, today's video is for you. We are looking at leather marble coasters. They are square. These coasters do come in different colors and patterns to match any surface that you may want to put these on. And they have a little neat holder. They're oversized so they will hold your beverages nice and hot up to 140 Celsius. They are double-sided and they look great, so stay tuned for the whole video. What's good everybody? So today I'm going to show you some really nice square coasters. Now these coasters have a marble texture because we have a marble table and marble is very easily scratched. Unfortunately, I did not know that when I bought the table. So we already got our beautiful placemats. They're a double layer, nice and thick. And now we wanted to match the coasters. Now there are different types of coasters that you can get. Ones with a circle as well, so you can get these rounded, but we wanted to just kind of go with square look because of the rectangular table and our mats. Now you can see that these actually go quite nicely with that, and these coasters are double coasters, meaning that there's no stitching on either side because they are fused together in the center. You can put hot beverages, cold beverages up to 240 Celsius. So between all this, I'm quite happy and I like this. If you're gonna get coasters, make sure you get something like this. It's just convenience factor, right? So that's it, that's the table. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.